Are you doing the roast wrong? Yes.
Follow this recipe and you'll get roast meat with potatoes and
Both things juicy and also easy to make.
all advantages. We'd start by chopping an onion. The trick is to dice it into really small cubes. We're going to peel a few potatoes or papas. If they're small, take 5. If they're large, 2 might be enough. The key is to have them clean and cut into evenly thick slices. We take a baking tray greased with a little oil and place the potatoes on top, making a sort of bed. We sprinkle salt and freshly ground black pepper on top. To taste, be generous with the pepper because it really enhances the flavor a lot, and we place the onion directly on top. Then we'll cover it with the rest of the potato and we'll have the first layer and part of the recipe ready. Let me remind you that it's essential for the potato slices to be of similar thickness. I like to add half a cup of water, spread out so that it evaporates in the oven and everything turns out softer. As I mentioned, the oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or about 355 Fahrenheit, and we'll bake it for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we take a good splash of oil and paprika to taste. I recommend you add plenty. A teaspoon of garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. We'll mix all this well with another magic ingredient to give the meat an extra kick. It's amazing. Pay attention because the beef concentrate makes it incredible. A good teaspoon. You mix it like this while it's cold, stirring it around, and you'll get a spread. An oil with amazing flavor that goes perfectly on meat. You can use any meat you want. I'm using secreto, but you can use whichever you prefer. This recipe works for any delicious meat. Well, my advice is to spread it on both sides. Make sure it's well coated, and you'll probably have a bit of the concentrate left at the bottom, kind of like a paste. That's it. Spreading it on top in small pieces adds the final touch. Wow, what a great recipe. After those 10 minutes, look at how the steam comes out of the water we had with the potatoes. There it is. We take it out, place the meat on top of the bed of potatoes with onion, and now it's ready to go into the oven. That's right, make the most of the flavor. So I recommend you take the little plate and all this fat that's left hanging, pour it in, and do the same with the cup where you made the magic mixture. There it is. We've worked for all the flavor, and now we'll enjoy it. We return to the oven, still at 180s or 355 to Fahrenheit, and in about 35 minutes, it will be ready.
Look at how amazing this looks. Preparing meat has never been so easy and has never given such an incredible result. Check out this little dish, it almost cuts itself. Instead of meat, it looks like soft butter. Soft and delicious. Look, a little piece, and another one. I love grilled meat.
Oven baked.
With that little touch.
That remains
Distributed.
crispy outside, super juicy inside.
Try it and let me know. I'm sure you'll love it.